Good job.
Melt my heart. 봄에 향기를 그대를 보며 그냥 웃음만 짓게 돼. Don't know what to say.
The outfit. Nasayang. Dahil close na. It's close. Dito na ako ngayon sa Huge. And dito ko siguro gagawin. First verse of the Commanders talking about the Jerry Lady Bombers and the EE's Lady. It's my last term, so wish me luck. Wow, it's my last term. Last term ko na ngayon. Wow. After all the shits I've been through, now I'm down to my last term, which is, wow, amazing. First day of term 3, first day of my last term. Morning po!
너 나의 이름 불러줄 때면 눈치도 없는 심장은 빨라져만 가. 알듯 말듯 네 표정 우물쭈물 고민해. 왜 자꾸 나를 애태워 왜 볼듯 말듯
Naghahanap ako ng 7-Eleven. Sabi sa maps, meron daw dito malapit sa Philoil. Pero wala akong nakita. Sa tagal-tagal ko nang nag-courtside dito sa Philoil, wala akong nakita 7-Eleven. Ni isang beses. Hindi ko alam, baka namamalikmata lang ako. Nalock ko ba yung... Sana nalock ko? Walang malapit na 7-Eleven, so tama ang hinala ko. Woo! GMA. Yun lang po.
앞에만 두고 싶어. 이대로 조금 더 가까이 날 좋아한단 말해줘.
Set 4 and sobrang thrilling ng game. We're going to a 5th set.
Eric Abudonal opens the scoring here as we go courtside with Riri Khalid. Riri.
Huwag madaliin ang plays. May perfect timing ang lahat. Make the point at the right time. Yan ang payo ni Coach Mia Chuseco ng JRU Lady Bombers. Paalala niya sa kanyang mga manlalaro is to be consistent, lalo pat now we're on the last stretch of this match. Samantala, it's all about having the right mindset. Payo nga ni Coach Rod Palmero, mas gustuhin manalo at mas gustuhin nilang matapos ng maayos, emphasizing on the importance of mindset. Now, kapansin-pansin na both of these teams during huddle are addressing their setters with their playmaking decision. Both Lorente and Formento reminded by their respective coaches na mahalaga ang role nila and that they have to create a better execution. Now, which setter will respond to this call in this last stretch of the match? Yan ang abangan natin, yan lamang muna. Mula rito sa courtside, balik sa inyo, Martin and Coach Hammer.
Thank you so much, Riri Khalid, our courtside reporter. So, It's gonna be the battle of the playmakers.
Okay, so we're going to try to commentate this game. Alright, so JRU is catching up in this set 5, deciding set para dito sa labanan ng EAC kontra JRU Lady Bombers. As Del Pilar serves this ball. 1-2-5. Goes wide on that ball, but she's asking for a check. Will there be a challenge? Alright, hindi nila challenge yun. I think it was way out. Del Pilar still on deck serving. Strong serve pa rin para kay Del Pilar. Back set, tas a quick. Running is not working for EAC. Diana had to give that ball. Patricia from the middle would not work. Alimen checked at the net by Batara from the back. What was happening? Alright, so the situation was Lorente had that ball, that first ball, at walang sumalo ng second ball dahil nga talaga ang second ball ay para sa setter. Now, here with me at courtside is my floor director. Kamusta ka naman?
Okay lang, inaantok na ako.
Kamusta naman nag 5 sets tayo today?
Okay lang, nakakagutom na.
Dayanan. Ooh! A costly error. Costly error for Dayanan of EAC. Okay na, tama na. Okay mga kapuso, nagbabalik tayo dito sa NCAA Season 100 Women's Volleyball Tournament, and it's still the matchup between EAC Lady Generals and the JRU Lady Bombers, as the EAC Lady Generals is leading this set 5, 7-4. Formento with a service. Alonia with a first ball, back set ni Lorente, binigay kay Amante, and Amante will score that one in. Amante has been really playing well as a backup player for JRU. She's been playing open hitter, pero naglaro din siya sa middle nung nawala itong si Batara. Generals. Kring Batara is on deck to serve this one. Score is 6-9. Formento to Dayanan. Dayanan. Ah, that was Bodonal. That was way out for Bodonal. Galon at the middle will serve this one. Floater service. Bump set from the back. Ramos had to send that ball in. Bodonal squeezes that ball in. Tapos ang laban dito sa Philoil Arena. Okay, so nanalo yung EAC against JRU. 5 clearing sets. Grabe, medyo ako yung nahirapan sa 5 set game. It's my second time covering 5 sets and third time covering a volleyball game. Pero same pa rin intensity ng kaba. Sandeda, good luck! Babalikin natin yung mic. Ang hirap mag-vlog. Ang hirap. Bossing. Okay, experience. Wow. Every coverage ko is a learning experience. Every coverage ko is like my first time. Ito. Ooh, ayan, maganda. Ito yung GMA. Alright, so performance for today. Thumbs up naman kay Direk. Good job.
너에게 고리 걸어 내게서 어디 도망도 못 가게 우리 사이를 연결해 Without you 난 너 하나면 돼 이럴까 저럴까 고민하지 말고 그냥 내게 오면 돼 Without you 너에게 고리 걸어 내게서 어디 도망도 못 가게 우리 사이를
Let's see.
연결해 Without you
Next station, Pedro Hill Station.
오늘도 마치질 않네 Give me your high five five 그럼 잔나때 한 잔의 music We redefine
I'm here sa library. I'm in class actually. I always go here kasi ito yung favorite spot ko. This actual spot. It's either here or at the end of this long table.
잠도 잃고 말았지 복잡한 도시 Don't panic baby 힘들 땐 좀 내려놓고 reset replay 훌훌 털고 이 리듬에 맞춰 refresh
Eme lang. Sa first term ko dito sa DLSU, I had this video clip na dito rin ako. Well, this is not yet my last vlog here in DLSU, pero it's fun to recreate that moment. Hindi ko lang maalala yung exact frame ng video, pero I'm sure na ito yung background. Dito ko sinut yun, yung video. I just had a class. Lahat ng classes ko this term are pure online. Mag-OJT na ako. Nag-a-apply pa ako sa company na gusto ko for my practicum. Uy, pwede rin akong lumayo. Pwedeng full body siya. Parang full body shot. So, this is my outfit for today. It's all Uniqlo. Uniqlo shirt, Uniqlo pants, Uniqlo bag, Uniqlo laptop sleeve. Yeah, that's it. De La Salle University! Are you ready? Hello, say hi. Say hi. It's peaceful and it's silent pag Saturdays talaga. Especially now that classes are being held online, fully online for the first 2 weeks. Pero talagang pag Saturday, sobrang tahimik, hindi ganun karaming tao. Hindi ka makikipag-agawan sa seats sa library. I'm here again sa front ng Henry C. And I want to go up. So, we're here at the 10th floor. Sa spot na to. Okay, so lilipat tayo kasi 26% na lang yung laptop ko and I have to charge it. Ay, guys, doon na lang tayo sa favorite spot ko. I'm gonna stay here. Kasi dito talaga yung komportable. Malaki yung desk, malaki yung space. Init sa labas, sobrang init sa labas. Kaya dito na. Dito ako lagi sa library. Sinusulan pa rin ba ako? Ay, nadidetect niya.
예쁜 하루 되세요.
Hi, nag-close na yung library and nilipat na ako sa cafe. I'm thinking if Starbucks or Calle Cafe. Allergy ako. I have to take my... Sinisipan tayo na. Alam niyo, hindi ko na kinaya allergies ko. I'm here once again sa Starbucks and pagpapatuloy natin. One venti iced white mocha with sweet cream cold foam and extra caramel drizzle.
Name na lang, sir.
Riri. Hi with Val.
Ay, oh my God. May grit. Breathe.